Hi viewers, this is Mama Sajid Hassan and you guys watching Sajid's Take, and here in this video I'm gonna show you how you can turn your Instagram into the dark mode. And here it's not only for the Android 10 versions, and it's not only for those mobile which have only the dark mode accessibilities there, and here you can do this for every type of Android mobile phone, and you can do this also for the less than Android 10, that means the Android 8, 9, all those type of versions. You can also do these type of things there. So how you can do this in this video guys, I'm gonna show you. So here you need to do install an app here instead of the Instagram, and this is it. And now you can customize your Instagram account as you wish, by which you want to customize it there. So how you can do this, let's get started there. So before just starting that video, I request you please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get all the notification in the future. And if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start that video with you guys. So first of all, here you need to go to in the Google, and here you will get that app in the outsourcing there, and I'll give you that apps link in the description below. And from here you need to download two apps are there. So the first app is the com.gbinsta.android, and here the version is the 71.00, and here you need to download another XML file is the black and white theme for the GB Insta. So here it is, this is the things are there. So after that, here you need to install that GB Insta apps in your Android mobile phone, and here this is my GB Insta, and now I need to open up it there in my mobile phone. And before that, here you need to uninstall the Instagram of your previous Instagram of your from your mobile phone. And now if you have any account, then you can just log in there, and if you haven't any account, now click on the sign up there. As I have already an account, so I just go to there and I will come back after just email ID and the password. And here it is guys, this is my username and the password. Now click on the login to get logged in, and here all the things are other things are like as it is. So after that, in the first time whenever you just log in there, that time they just give you a dialog box. Now click on the OK, and here it is guys, this is the Instagram app as it is like the before Instagram account, but here you need to make some customizations from here. So first of all, here you need to go to on that profile from here, and now click on that two gear icons from here, and after that here you will get on that page. Now first of all, click on the download themes, and here you will not get anything from here. Now here you need to also give the allow of permission there. Now click on the more, and now click then on the load, and now go to the back and gain back again, and here you are on the directory of your storages there. So from here you need to find out that black and white XML file. This is the black and white theme for gbinsta.xml, and here you need to click on that. Now click on the OK, and here it is guys, this theme is loaded on that. Now go to the back, and here you will get that on the profile screen there. Go to the profile screen is there. So from the first, or go to on the profile header, and here you need to check all the things, and now you can just change the color from here. So I just change the color as it is. So here all the colors are like as it is there. Now go to the back and go to the back again, and now go to the back again, and here just let's say that whether it's working or whether it's looked or not. So here it is guys, this is the header is changed there, but here I want to change the other things. So here it is, now I want to change other things. So go to in the double gear from here, and now go to in the profile screen again, and from here go to the profile row, and from here now just check the first thing is the bio background color, and now here you need to make the white in the black, and here it is guys, this is the OK. So here it is, now go to the back again, and here it is guys, now you will see that your Instagram account will turn into the black screen there. So here it is guys, by that way you can just turn your Instagram in the black, but here you can see that the other things are in the blur is there. So and some the other things are like in the blue. So from here you can change other things are from here too. These are, go to the profile screen, now go to the profile row, and from here you can just check all those things are as it is, and here it is. This is the name color. If I just check it there, now I just change their things as in the red. Now here you can see that the name of mine has just turned into the red color is there. So here it is, this is my name has just turned into the red, and here you will get all the other settings are there, one by one steps are there. You can just change the post, followers, following, promotion, edit profiles button, the product name, the websites, everything you get one by one here, and you can now change it there as it is as you wish here guys. So this is I think one of the most ultimate tricks for you guys. By that you can just change your things are there. So here it is guys, that's it, the first and foremost thing for you guys by which you can easily change the profile of your Instagram easily here guys, so that you can just turn it as you wish. So what's about that guys? Do you like that things here guys? If it's so, then I request you please like that video, share this video with your friends, comment below on this video, and so on guys. So guys, no more today, I have to go for my next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.